Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that crude, after forming a particular pattern, okay, and this pattern is quite related with same pattern as we have seen in the natural gas, that whenever it goes high we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, and this sharp fall we have seen it is quite repeated often after 2020. Okay, when the price went to negative, that is where they started moving upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular zone also, that once the zone of crude started moving upside, see, this is the zone where we have seen a sharp fall has come, and once this zone break upside and make a new high, we have seen again a sharp fall has come, and this is quite repeated for quite some time. Okay, so whenever it breaks previous high, we have seen that it makes a new high and then again a sharp fall we have seen, and it is quite repeated by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th time it is quite repeated. Okay, and after that there is a continuous downfall. So till the time we will not see a swing forming and going above a level of around $85, we will not see that the price can go up further high. Okay, but if the price move below a level of $68, okay, then we can see it can move further low, because this is 68 is a strong support as of now. So once the price fall below that level, we can see further fall for the crude prices. Okay, now before we move forward and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $76.64. Okay, and if that level move further high, we can see it can go towards a level of 77.12. Keep this in mind. If the price sustains 77.12, then a probability of moving further upside, we can see it can go above a level of around $79.27 to a level of 81.90. This 81.90 if sustained, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of around $85.58. This $85.58 is a strong resistance, so you have to keep this in mind. Once the price sustain above $85.58, then we can see it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of going towards a level of $88.12 is there. Okay, and once the price goes above a level of 88.12, we can see it can cross that particular zone, and a probability it can cross a level of around $93.38, which is a weak resistance. Keep that in mind. Once it goes above a level of 88.12, can touch a level of 90.27 and then sustain, it can cross this particular level of 93.38 and can touch a level of around $97.44. Okay, and if the price move up that level, you can check my weekly video. Okay, now if you look at the trend of crude, it is continuously on the downside, but it is moving down, but it is quite volatile as you can see. So you have to be very careful when you do the trades, as well as if you invest for a longer view, then you have to understand that this is what we have seen in the, it is overall trend is down, but if you look at it, if you have set a target as well as SL, it might hit your target, but after hitting your SL, so that there should be some strategies to be used. You can reduce the quantity and increase your SL and targets. Okay, so this is what some of the strategies to be used when the market is volatile. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, okay, chances can be there, but what you have seen, it is moving down overall trend, so chances can be high. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $72.60, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can go towards a level of $70.11. This $70.11 is a weak support, so chances are very high we can see it can go further low, and a probability of going towards a level of $68.65 is there. This 68.65 is again, you can say, a strong support here, so we can see a bounce back can come, but if it goes below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $66.57, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 62.57. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Once the price fall below 68.65, we can see a level of 66.17, and then we can see a level of 62.57. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, chances of touching $59 is there, and then we can see it can fall further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now understand something what people do. Most of the people lose money in trading. Why they lose money? There's some of the thing that matter. It plays a psychological thing. But what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 1000 to 1500 per trade. Okay, dollars, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is 50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum risk is $500. So once you lose $500, relax for the day. Okay, exit from the trades. Now the next day you will not be in a pressure to recover that $500 because it is not that a big amount compared to your capital. What people do is they lose so much money. Suppose 3,000, 4,000, this is what they lose, and then they try to recover it on the same day, then they lose their full capital. Most of the traders do this mistakes. Okay, what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these problems. Okay, when to hedge, when to strategize, when to enter, when to exit, all these things I teach. If you want to attend my workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.